Bernie?
This is our 1966 Stallion Roadster. It has 9,552 original miles. It's one of 10 that were produced by Walter Flaming's company in Long Beach, California, 566. This is Stallion number 8. Mr. Flaming kept this as his personal stallion all his life until he passed away. He used it for his off-roading adventures around Salton Sea back in the day when it was the mecca for recreation. We're going to take this little poppy red beauty out for a run through the gears. So hang on, Cupcake.